Now, what we're going to do is we are going to add in sort of like some like a blood splatter and that kind of thing underneath. So we're going to go to the brush tool, and first I'm going to make a new layer, which I'm going to put underneath everything. And then I'm going to pick a color, make it nice and red. There we go. And we need to have a paintbrush here that is going to be a whole lot more like a blood splatter. Okay, and I think I'll go with something along the lines of this, and you'll see down here how it shows you. Right? And remember that what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to paint a little bit in here, rotate it, boom, whoops, rotate it a bit more, boom. And like that. Whoop, I keep picking the wrong one. There. And around here. And just to make it kind of fast and everything like that. Whoops. I really need to be looking down here when I'm seeing what it is. Good. Okay. And now what I think I will do is just adjust the opacity. Bring it on down a little bit, like kind of like that. Awesome. Maybe even add a little bit more in there. Great. Opacity down a little bit and build that up. Nice.